Hello, students. So I want to help you understand better the agreement of nouns and adjectives. What you have seen is that Latin has 5 groups of noun that are declined in different declensions and in different ways called declensions. And for the moment, you have studied the first and the second. To the first declension pertains nouns like insula. You have seen insula, for example, in chapter 1. And in the vocabulary entry, you find insula, insulae. The vocabulary entry gives you nominative and genitive ending, okay, ae. And these are the other endings for the various cases. In the second declension, you have nouns in us or er for the nominative, if they are masculine or feminine, and in for the neuter. Only nominative, accusative, and vocative change. The other endings are all the same for both masculine, feminine, and neuters. Okay, so for example, you have found a noun like fluvius, river, fluvius, fluvi, okay, which is masculine, or a noun like oppidum, oppidi, which is neuter. It ends in in the nominative, okay? Then you have adjectives, okay? Adjectives are like big, small, long, that modify. Adjectives are those elements that modify a noun and describe it, okay? And tells you whether it's big, small, good, bad, etc., etc. Now, in Latin, the adjectives has to agree in case, so if a noun is in nominative, also the adjective has to be in nominative, and number, so if the noun is singular, also the adjective has to be singular, and gender. So if a noun is feminine, like insula, you have to use the feminine adjective. The feminine adjective follows the first declension. The masculine magnus and the neuter magnum follow the second declension. Okay, so if I say Sicily is a big island, okay, Sicilia est, island is insula, but you want to say big, you have to say magna insula, okay, because insula is feminine, and so magna follows the first declension, so nominative singular in a. But if I want to say, I don't know, the Fluvius is a big river, okay, do you have the word river? Yes, Flumen, no, Fluvius here. Well, if I want to say the Tiber is a big river, I say Tiberis est Magnus Fluvius, because Fluvius is masculine and therefore the adjectives follows the second declension. Now, if I want to say the city is big and city is a neuter noun, I have to say oppidum est magnum. Okay? So, if a noun is masculine or neuter, the adjective follows the second declension. If a noun is feminine, the adjective follows the first declension. Okay? This is valid. I gave you only examples in nominative, but this is valid for all the cases. For example, if I want to say of a big island, so using the genitive, I would say insulae magnae. Okay? If I want to say of a big city, I would say oppidi magni, with the genitive of a neuter noun. Okay?